Good morning. I'm your milk tea news. Updating guys. We have a topic today. Florida government Ron DeSantis are declare a state of emergency for all of Florida on Saturday as the tropical storm Ian approaches the states. We have a very important guys tropical storm. So many people buy a food in the market. They are lined up all. So this is a topic guys, driving the news. Ian which formed Friday over the southern Caribbean was forecast intensity through the Monday, possible into the high-end category 4 storm. So we have a 4 storm guys. The storm was selected to hit in Florida mild week. So nice, only mild only guys. DeSantis has earlier declared a state of emergency for 24 countries in the states. 24 countries in the states. President Biden declared as emergency for the states. Because of the foregoing condition, we are projected constitute a major disaster. So I declare a state emergency to exist in the state of Florida. So they will make announcement guys. Announcement. If you live in the state Florida, all over there, make safety intact food to evacuation. In case of their wedding, we have food in at home, but we need to keep safety in our place. I encourage all Floridians and continue to monitor the storm and listen to local official. Okay guys, I wanna give you some clip of this video. So what happened? Please comment below on the video. Thank you so much for coming. So all everyone, they want evacuate and they will stay to the other place to make sure that everything is fine. Flooding or anything else, water going. So you need to prepare it all guys. So thank you so much for watching my video. This is our updating news today. Welcome. Don't forget to comment below on my video section.